Hello, I have a haul from St. Vincent de Paul this morning. I always think I go in there, I'm not going to find anything, but I found some stuff. They had half price green tags. So this was $2.50 and it's a throw, and it's got like it's cream with like a gold lurex thing in it, and after I got it up there I saw it's West Elm, which is neat. So it's you know, there's just like, there's a little pull here, but you just do like this. I need to wash it and then it'll be good to go, but it's 90 degrees here. It just kind of makes me sick to look at it.
You should have worn it. Oh.
Mr. Retros was not feeling this, but he will be when he's cold in the winter. He'll be glad to be wrapping himself in that. So.
Want to be warm, not suffocate.
Then I got this piping. I'm not sure how much is on here. It was half price, I think it was. So it was $1.50. I'm always needing piping. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 6 yards on here. I think that should be enough to do like one cushion, maybe. So, and then you know you can recover this with any fabric you want. So $1.50. I got it. Just then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this lamp, but I love it. This could be a cool kitchen lamp. Kitchen lamps are very trending, very high right now, but it's really cute. It's all copper, and it was very pricey. $7.99. We get a little bit of a discount, and it's got they have a it just clips on the thing. But I thought it was really pretty. That is going to look neat, lit up with the light, you know.
In the bathroom.
Yeah, it would be good in the bathroom. Yes. Yes. I can
always
always fit in a nice little lamp. It's all in the lighting.
Right.
You see, it's cute. You could even use it here. I thought it might be cute for a Christmas display or not. I don't know, but it's nice size.
Yeah.
And it was only $8. I mean, I can't even get an uplight at Home Depot for $8. So, and oh, I got a jacket, but I put it away. I got
put it on.
No, I got a tank top that needs washing. Which was this thing? $1.99. So that's all right. And I think this is kind of nice. This is just a pressed glass, martini glass for $1. Oh, it's pretty nice. And you know, you could use it for other things too. You can serve out of it. I thought it was very pretty. They only had the one. I was looking, so I'll keep my eyes peeled for more of those. Oh, Mr. Retro's got these. What are these called?
Yeah. Pinewood Derby. Like Cub Scouts, you carve them and race them. Yeah, look what a nice job they did.
Is this the one that you did and your dad put mercury in yours?
Right, yeah.
Give him that advantage of speed.
Yeah, he did practically the whole car.
And I think that's probably what happened with these.
Yeah, these are nice.
With Boy Scouts?
Well, they did.
Was this Boy Scouts?
That's Cub Scouts usually. But I don't know, Boy Scouts maybe too, but usually Cub Scouts. Yeah.
So these were $3 a piece. He has a collection of these.
A collection of them.
Where did they race these, on a little track?
Yeah, they had a track. It would usually be part of the. They'd have one or more troops or dens of cubs racing. They'd invite people, and they had a big track. They'd set them all on, and they go down just like the soapbox derby. Only, yeah.
Look at, they put little.
Yeah, they did a nice job on this.
Look at, they put a little flag on there.
Yeah.
He put little grommets on the back for tail
My
lights.
dad's was all shaped.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, really.
It's got a weight here. Mr.
Yeah,
Retros
you're
had
allowed to use those weights now.
Mr. Retros had a weight with mercury in his.
Right.
Yeah. That's what happens when your dad's an engineer and takes over the project.
Right.
Oh, I'll get that moving.
Yeah.
And I got this Starbucks cup for $1. It's just the 2014 Christmas blend. Yeah, I got that half price, so $1.50. Pretty good. And this was kind of neat. For the beach has the faucet situation in the tub where I can't put one of those handhelds, which is what I prefer. It's got the pipe thing. So this is like one of those, what do they call this? Rain?
I don't know.
Rain or something?
Some shower.
Yeah, it's a sorry, Bucky. It's a Moen. So it should be decent, and it was only $2. So if it doesn't work, we just donate it back. We saw somebody steal from the store today. It was shocking, which is terrible. If you're in need and need something, they'll let you have it. There's no reason to steal from St. Vincent. Some woman just walked out with an armload of stuff. So I hate to see that. And then this awesome thing. See, I'm having a hard time locating these geodes and crystals at the crazy stupid Home Goods here. So I tried making one with borax. Oh, what a bust that was. that was just
A mess.
It was a big gob of pipe cleaners covered with borax. It was not cute. It was a waste of borax and pipe cleaners. So this was half price. It was $5. So Mr. Retros is going to help me with this.
Turn it over and I'll show you the geode.
Okay.
See? This would make a geode.
Oh, I want a geode. I want that.
See,
Yeah.
you can do all these different ones.
Oh, I like these points too.
Yeah.
I like mine white though.
See the stuff?
Oh, it's got gypsum.
Yeah.
Oh,
see?
plaster Paris. Calcium sulfate. Ruby crystal growing chemical.
Sounds good.
Crystal, citrine crystal. Emerald crystal. Aquamarine. One plastic tray. And 6 crystal growing vessels. One geo mold and one geo stand. Oh, a stand. Presentations, everything.
Yeah.
Space Age Crystals booklet. 4 lids. It's never been opened. So, $5.
Yeah.
My
That's a green tag.
my borax I wasted cost almost $5 at Bimart. So,
Wow.
yeah, so that was kind of disappointing. So we will give this a try. I don't know what this thing is
I
here.
don't know.
Does it plug in?
I don't know.
Gee, I don't know.
I don't know.
Gee, I don't know. So, that's my story for today. We're going to go turn the AC on and race our cars around. I'll see you later. Bye.